Gone are the days when you had just 6 to 7 different career options. These days, there are many different career options which you can choose from in different fields, and people are much more open to choosing a new career options which they never heard of. Last October, I made a video on unique career options and I got an amazing response from you guys. So I thought to make a part 2 of this video. So this video is the part 2 of the previous one. If you have not seen the video, I'll link it here. You can check it out because it would give you complete new avenues and you can decide the right one. Before that, a small intro. My name is Nitya Rambhadran and I welcome you all to Revamp Mind. If you like the video, please click on the like button. Click the subscribe button if you are new here. Press the bell icon so whenever I upload a video, you would get notified about it. I'm sorry guys if you are able to hear a fan noise. It is so hot here, I'm not even able to shoot it. So that's why I had to switch on the fan. So sorry about the noise, okay? Please ignore it. I'm wearing a mic over here and I'm stumbling while speaking. But I'm wearing a mic over here, but still I think you can hear the noise. So please ignore that. So let's come back to the topic over here. Now, I wanted to ask you, how many of you are true food lovers? I'm not talking about those people who go and check every restaurant or try every new dish. I'm talking about those people who understand the flavors, who understand the smell, who can taste a food, smell a food and tell what ingredients are there, or can taste a dish and tell what ingredients is the dish made of. Then this career might excite you. I'm talking about food flavorist or flavor chemist. Food flavorists are scientists who create and duplicate the natural flavors of food. They experiment with different chemicals to try and recreate natural flavors. You need a BSc or a MSc degree in biochemistry to pursue this career. Otherwise, you can also have a bachelor's degree in food science, chemistry or any related disciplines. Few best colleges from where you can pursue these degrees are Shivaji College, Delhi University, St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, Ferguson College, Pune, All India Institute of Medical Institutes, Delhi, the Oxford College of Science, Bengaluru, Jaipur National University, Jaipur. Once you complete a degree in food flavor, you can get opportunities in many different industries like food industry, pharmaceutical industry, research. You can join as a teacher in academics. You can even go in cosmetic industry. Celebrities are always in news and we love to see them. We love to see what they are doing, what Suhana Khan is wearing, where she is going out, what Salman Khan is doing. And this is the work of PR specialists, that is public relations specialists, to keep them in news always. Their job is to create and maintain a good, likable or favorable image of their employees, clients and even stars. Best colleges to pursue career as a PR specialist or public relationship specialist are National School of Drama, New Delhi, FTII, Film and Television Institute of India, Pune, Garden City, University, Bengaluru, Asian College of Journalism, Chennai, Whistling Woods International, Mumbai, Zee Institute of Media Arts, Mumbai. Once you complete a degree in PR specialist, you can get ample of jobs in different industries like business and political organizations, media, PR firms who take care of the celebrities, actresses, etc., educational services, advertising agencies, government organizations as well. How many of you love mountains and never seem to get tired of it? You just don't think of mountaineering as a hobby, but can take it as a profession as well. You want to summit all the mountains. Yes, I think you guessed it right. I'm talking about a career of mountaineering. The name itself suggests, so I'm not going to explain it further. People who love climbing mountains, take groups on mountain expeditions, etc. Few institutes that offer mountaineering courses in India are Nehru Institute of Mountaineering NIM, Uttarkashi, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute HMI, Darjeeling, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports ABVIMAS, Manali, Jawahar Institute of Mountaineering JIM, Pahalgam, National Institute of Mountaineering and Allied Sports, Dirang in Arunachal Pradesh, which is NIMAS, Indian Institute of Skiing and Mountaineering, which is in Gulmarg, which is IISM. Although it's more famous for skiing, but they have mountaineering as well. Mountaineering has around 4 levels, but you can get a good job even after completing level 3. So once you complete the degree or once you complete the courses, you can get a job as Himalayan porters, Himalayan trek leaders, climbing guides. You can assist the professional climbers, trek organizers. You can get an instructor position in any mountaineering institutes. Have you heard of black hat, white hat and even grey hat? If you have heard of it, then I think you guessed which career option I'm talking about. Well, I'm talking about hacking. And hackers are of different types. Black hat hackers are those people who steal our data, who get into our system, who create malware files, malware viruses, who try to steal our money and do all sorts of bad things. But white hat hackers are those ethical hackers who look at security of system. They try to bypass system security and try to find any weak points or loopholes that can be taken advantage of by malicious hackers. Of course, there are many institutes that teach cyber security or ethical hacking, but few of the best are PG Diploma course in Information Security and System Administration DOEACE in Calicut, MSc in Cyber Forensics and Information Security, University of Madras, Ankit Fadia Certified Ethical Hacker Course, Reliance World Outlets, M.Tech in Information Security and Computer Forensic, SRM University, Certified Professional Hacker, Institute of Information Security, M.Tech in Information Assurance and Security, Kalasalalingam University. And once you complete a course in cyber security and ethical hacking, you have loads of options to choose from as a job profile, which are information security analyst, you can become that, security analyst, certified ethical hacker, information security manager, penetration tester, security consultant, and of course there are few more as well. Many people love to get inked, and people make tattoos of all the things that they believe in. It is not just a fashion statement. It is something that they believe in. It is something that they are, something memorable, something they remember, something close to them or someone close to them. I am talking about tattoo artists who make these things possible for people. Tattoos are immensely popular, and of course that increases the demand for the tattoo artists as well. Few institutes where you can learn how to become tattoo artists, and of course there are many online courses and institutes available as well, but they are Alliance Tattoo School, Mumbai, Tattoo Training Institute, Delhi, Tattoo School of India, Bhubaneswar, Ink School Tattoo Training Center. And along with a tattoo artist, if you don't want to just become a tattoo artist, you can also pursue career as artist assistant, artist manager, artist and repertoire screener, I hope I pronounced it correctly, freelance visual artist. Smartphones and hundreds of apps are part of our daily lives. We cannot stay without them. and it is a work of mobile application developer to constantly create applications which are innovative, which are user friendly as well, and the demand of it is increasing day by day. Mobile application developer is a person who develops these apps. There are two types of mobile application developers. One is iOS developer or Android developer, and few good institutes where you can learn how to become a mobile application developer are Lovely Professional University, New Delhi, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Imphal, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, Mohali, CMR University School of Science Studies, Bengaluru, Parul University, Vadodara, Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune. Once you complete the course of mobile application developer, you have lot of career options. You can become an Android developer, iOS developer, Android application development engineer, mobile developer, mobile lead software engineer, mobile embedded software engineer, and many more. That would be all in this video. I hope this video would help you to explore more options and to choose the right career that you want to do or make for yourself. If you have chosen this career or if you are deciding to pursue this career, let us know in the comment box below, because that would encourage or inspire other people as well. And if I missed any more interesting, unique career options, please let me know that as well in the comment box below. And please make sure that you keep giving the love that you are giving. And I will see you all next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.